Hello guys, welcome to this piano tutorial lesson. So today I'll be teaching you how to play Amaram onyewem by Mercy Chinwo and Pastor Jerry, alright? It means I know who owns me. That's the meaning of Amaram onyewem. Alright, okay, so I'm going to give the chord progression of the song. So the chord progression of the song, is one. We are playing the key of C major, right? C major. So it's 1 C major. We go to 5. 5 that's G major. All right. 5 is G major, and the next chord is 2. All right, 2. I prefer to play the inversion. All right, this is 2. 2. That's D minor. The first inversion. The second inversion. All right. Then the next chord we come back to 1, that's C major. Then we go to this A sharp. All right, A sharp major. All right, that's A sharp. Then we come to the 4, which is F major, and 5. All right, and 1. Okay, that's for the first part of the song. All right, so I give the chord progression. I just gave you the chord progression, and so let me try to play it and you follow up. Okay, let's go. So Amaramu yewe. All right, so Amarawa and 5. Amaram. All right. So we go to D minor Amara. That's 2. Amaram. This inversion. Yewe. That's 1. That's A sharp major. Who never forsake 4. Forget his home. Amaram 4 and 1. All right. Then the other part of the song, which is I've never seen the righteous forsaken. All right. So it's we start with the 1. I've never seen the righteous forsaken. 5. No, he sees beg for bread. 1. He's a God who never forget his soul. And 5. Amaramoyewe. All right, so that part you play it. You start with the 1. I've never seen the righteous forsaken. That go to 5 G major. No, he sees beg for bread. 1 back to C. The God will never forget. So it's he's the God. All right, so la sofa re fa mi do re fa mi re. Alright guys, so I'm gonna play the song. Okay, so it's Amaramu yewe. Amara, that's a passing chord to the 2. Amaramu yewe. He's a God who never forget his soul. Amaramu yewe. I've never seen the righteous forsaken. 5. No, he sees beg for bread. He's a God who never forget his soul. And 5. Amaramu yewe. All right, guys. So that's all about the song, basically. So it continues like that. She sings and she sings, and Pastor Jerry comes with spoken words, powerful words. All right. So, guys, if you love the tutorial, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.